Hello everyone, in today's video we're making fried chicken. So this marinade is made up of curd, milk, cumin powder, ginger garlic paste and 1 egg, chili powder and salt. These things. Then you have to marinate in the fridge for about 4 hours. Then after that, yes, the flour. The flour is made up of all-purpose flour, corn flour, chili powder, then coriander powder, cumin powder, then then salt and pepper. Depends on the amount of chicken you have. Alright. Then after that you have to deep fry for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then let it rest for 10 minutes. And then when you're doing this, you also have to massage it nicely. So as I'm doing it right now, you have to massage it nicely and put it in the gaps. So you get a nice, beautiful crust. Beautiful crust. Just absolute beautiful crust. Alright, just beautiful, absolutely beautiful crust. Okay, I'll shut up and I'll just let me do it. Just wait for this. Wait. And now I'll show you something. After deep frying, look at the crust. Look at that absolutely beautiful crust. Now we're gonna try. Alright? So let's eat.
Let's have a meal.
So first things first.
Crust on this.
This looks absolutely. Look at that crust. Look at that
I'm
crust.
not sure you can see the crust.
So yeah, I'm gonna eat this, bro.
So you eating it.
That's you definitely need to shake off the oil.
Make sure to remove the excess oil.
So yeah. And my serving my eating looks different, but look at that juicy. Look how juicy that is, bro. Look how juicy that is, bro. Tell me that's not juicy. I'm sorry you can't see it on camera, but sir, that's actually so juicy. I'll see you guys when I finish eating this. Alright. So yeah, I'm eating. I'll talk to you guys after I finish eating.
I'll see you back when I finish eating one.
So yeah, I'll get back to you when I finish eating. Guys, I absolutely demolished the bone. So yeah.
Alright.
Bye guys.